Today I am reviewing the Skytech King 95 Gaming PC Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Skytech King 95 Gaming PC Desktop is a true powerhouse designed for gamers and content creators who demand nothing but the best performance. From the very first look, it's clear that this is a high-end gaming machine. Its sleek black case with stunning ARGB lighting immediately captures attention, making it a centerpiece for any gaming setup. But beyond aesthetics, the Skytech King 95 is engineered to deliver performance that's nothing short of extraordinary. At the heart of this system is the AMD Ryzen 9900X processor, clocked at 4.4 GHz with a turbo boost up to 5.6 GHz. This high-performance CPU ensures that demanding applications, multitasking, and the latest AAA games run flawlessly. Coupled with 32GB of DDR5 RAM at 6000 MHz, you get incredibly fast and smooth performance across all applications. Whether you're streaming, editing high-resolution videos, or running multiple programs simultaneously, the King 95 handles everything effortlessly without any lag or slowdown. Graphics performance is equally impressive thanks to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12GB GDDR5 GPU. With this cutting-edge graphics card, you can enjoy ultra-realistic visuals, ray tracing, and fluid frame rates at high resolutions. Whether it's fast-paced shooters like Call of Duty and Valorant or open-world RPGs like Elden Ring and Grand Theft Auto 5, this system delivers smooth gameplay at ultra settings in 1440p Quad HD, often exceeding 60 frames per second. Even the most graphics-intensive games, such as Black Myth Wukong or Dragon's Dogma 2, look stunning and run without compromise. Storage and load times are also top-notch. The 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD is up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives, allowing for rapid boot up, near-instant game loads, and seamless access to large files. This ensures that whether you're diving into a massive game world or working on heavy projects, the system responds instantly and efficiently. One of the standout features of the Skytech King 95 is its 360mm AIO liquid CPU cooler with ARGB fans. Unlike outdated air coolers, this high-spec liquid cooler maintains optimal temperatures even under heavy workloads, preventing thermal throttling and ensuring consistent, peak-level performance. Gamers and creators alike can push this system to its limits without worrying about overheating, all while enjoying a quiet and visually impressive cooling solution. Connectivity and expandability are also thoughtfully designed. The King 95 includes multiple USB ports, including USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1, along with HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, HD audio, and network connectivity via Wi-Fi 802.11 AC. It even comes with a free gaming keyboard and mouse, making it ready to go out of the box. These features ensure that you can easily connect multiple monitors, peripherals, and accessories to create a fully immersive gaming or content creation environment. Skytech also emphasizes reliability and support. Assembled in the USA, the King 95 comes with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, along with free technical support, ensuring peace of mind for users. The components are built to last and stress-tested to deliver high performance over time, giving you confidence that this system is a long-term investment. In summary, the Skytech King 95 Gaming PC Desktop is a beast of a machine that excels in every aspect. With its Ryzen 9900X CPU, RTX 5070 GPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD, and advanced 360mm AIO liquid cooling, it provides unmatched performance, reliability, and style. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a content creator, or someone who simply wants a high-end desktop for demanding applications, the King 95 delivers a smooth, fast, and immersive experience. From AAA gaming to multitasking, streaming, and creative work, this system is designed to handle everything effortlessly, making it one of the top choices for serious gamers and professionals in 2025.